Hi everyone, Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to calculate total deductions. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the way that we're going to be calculating total deductions is by adding up all taxes, Medicare, and insurance. So let's try a few problems together. Alright, so this first problem reads, using the following information, calculate the total deductions and net pay for each of the following. Now, we are not going to be going over net pay in this video. I will be covering that in another video, but we will be going over how to calculate the total deductions. So this is the gross pay, federal tax, state tax, Social Security tax, Medicare, and health insurance. So this is the gross pay. We don't use this number at all. We are going to be focusing on these 5 columns right here. And the way that we're going to be calculating the total deductions is by simply taking the federal tax all the way to health insurance and adding them together. So we're going to take 4520 plus 7231 plus 1816 plus 4231 plus 6040. All right, so that gives us our total deduction number to $238.38. So our total deductions for this first problem will be $238.38. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so in this next problem, we are given the numbers 480, 3130, 6120, $43, 1632, and 4531. So as I said before, we will not be dealing with the gross pay just yet. That will be coming later. But we are, however, going to be dealing with the total deductions. So what we're going to do is like we did before in the last problem, we're going to take everything from federal tax to health insurance and add it together. Let's see. 3130 plus 6120 plus $43 plus 1632 plus 4531. Okay, so that will get our total deduction amount to $197.13. So the answer to this problem is $197.13 for our total deductions. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. All right, so in this next problem, we are given the following numbers: 615, 1115, 31, 4130, 6150, 1531, and 4312. And like I've been saying before, I probably don't need to explain it again, we will not be dealing with gross pay or net pay just yet. That will be coming later. We are, however, going to be dealing with total deductions. And the way that we're going to be calculating that is like we've been doing before in these last few problems. We're going to be taking federal tax and adding it through health insurance. So let me pull it up. Let me pull my calculator here. 115.31 plus 4130 plus 6150 plus 1531 plus 4312. All right, so that will get our total deduction amount to $276.54. So the answer to this problem is $276.54 for our total deductions. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Okay, so in this next problem, we are given the following numbers: 552, 21131, 3140, 6130, 2212, and 3181. And the way that we're going to be calculating the total deductions is like we've been doing before in these last few problems. We're going to take federal tax and add it through health insurance. So let me pull up my calculator here. 21131 plus 3140 plus 6130 plus 2212 plus 3181. So, our new total deduction amount for this problem is $357.94. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so in this last problem, we are given the following numbers: 630, 1121, 3340, 6480, 3312, and 4440. And the way that we're going to be calculating the total deductions is like we've been doing before. We're going to be taking federal tax and adding it through health insurance. So 1121 plus 3340 plus 6480 plus 3312 plus 4440. Alright, so that will give us our new total deduction amount of $186.93. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!